In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. Start by opening your site in Wix Studio. Once you are inside the editor, it's important to understand how Wix Studio organizes screen sizes, instead of designing separately for every single device resolution. Wix Studio groups devices into 3 default breakpoints. Desktop covers screens that are 1001 pixels and up, and the default canvas design width is 1280 pixels. Tablet covers 751 to 1000 pixels. Mobile covers 320 to 750 pixels. These breakpoints make responsive design much easier to manage because you are working with clear size ranges instead of thousands of individual screen dimensions. The most important concept to understand is the cascading rule. Wix Studio works from the top down, which means you should always begin designing on the desktop breakpoint first. Think of desktop as the foundation for your layout. Any styling change, repositioning, or size adjustment you make on a larger breakpoint will automatically cascade down to the smaller breakpoints below it. So if you update something on desktop, that change can also appear on tablet and mobile. What's equally important is that the cascade does not work in reverse. Changes made on tablet or mobile will never affect your desktop design. This gives you the flexibility to fine-tune smaller screen layouts without worrying about accidentally changing the main version of your site. When you change a styling property on a smaller breakpoint, you create what's called an override. For example, if you adjust padding, sizing, alignment, or color on tablet or mobile, that specific property stops following the larger breakpoint and becomes customized from that point downward. This is useful when a design needs to behave differently on smaller screens. If you want to reconnect that smaller layout to the desktop hierarchy, right-click the modified element and select Remove Overrides. That will restore the cascading behavior for that property. If instead you decide that a lower-level layout should be used everywhere, right-click and choose Use on all breakpoints. This forces that version to sync across every screen size. If your design needs a more precise transition point, Wix Studio also lets you add custom breakpoints. You can add up to 6 breakpoints per Pascal G or global section. To do that, go to the top bar of the editor and click the Customize Breakpoints icon with the 3 dots. If you want to adjust an existing width, hover over the range and click the Edit icon to enter a specific pixel threshold. If you want to create a new range, click Add Breakpoint. Type in the custom width you need and then click Done. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.